Memorial Day weekend, as we enjoy time with friends and a little rest, we must pause and remember secret. The freedom we enjoy was not free. It was paid by men and women who gave everything in service to this country. If we truly honor that sacrifice, then our gratitude must show up in how we live, how we lead, how we serve, and how we build something meaningful. This weekend is not only about remembrance, it is about responsibility. I'll give you that message in a moment. Stay with me. Welcome to Your Practice, Your Money, where clinical success meets financial freedom. I'm your host, Dr. Dimitrios Kostopoulos, and today I want to share a Memorial Day weekend message from the heart. For many people, Memorial Day marks the unofficial beginning of summer. It is a weekend of family, travel, barbecues, relaxation, and time away from the demands of everyday life. And we should enjoy those moments. But we must also remember why we have them. Memorial Day is a solemn day of remembrance. It honors the brave men and women who died while serving in the United States Armed Forces. They gave up their homes, families, careers, dreams, and futures to protect something bigger than themselves. They protected our freedom. And that freedom gives each of us an opportunity and a responsibility to live with purpose. Freedom is not just something we inherit. Freedom is something we must honor through action. For those of us in healthcare, that responsibility carries special meaning. Every day, patients come to us in pain, uncertainty, weakness, and fear. They are looking for answers. They are looking for guidance. They are looking for someone who can help them reclaim their lives. As physical therapists, physicians, diagnostic providers, and healthcare leaders, we're not simply treating body parts. We're helping people regain freedom. Freedom from pain, freedom from disability, from uncertainty, from delayed diagnosis, freedom from feeling lost in a complicated healthcare system. And this is why our work matters. And that is why private practice, independent practices, have the ability to serve patients with personal attention, excellence, salvation, and heart. To do that, we must build stronger practices. A weak practice cannot serve at the highest level. A struggling practice cannot invest in better systems, better training, better technology, diagnostics, and better patient care. That is why financial freedom is not. Financial strength allows us to serve more people, create more opportunities, employ more team members, and deliver better care. Clinical success and financial freedom are not separate, they belong together. Diagnostics and responsibility. That's one of the greatest freedoms we can give patients is the freedom to know. Patients deserve answers. Clinicians deserve clarity, and practices deserve the tools to make better decisions. That is why diagnostics have such an important role in modern physical therapy practice. When appropriate tools, such as EMG, nerve conduction studies, musculoskeletal ultrasound, testing, and other point of care diagnostics, move from guessing to knowing. Better diagnosis leads to better decisions. Better decisions lead to better outcomes, and better outcomes lead to greater trust. And greater trust elevates the entire profession. Diagnostics are not just a business opportunity, they are a clinical responsibility. They allow physical therapists to step into a stronger role in healthcare, to help their patients faster, support physicians better, and create a more sustainable private practice model. So, this Memorial Day weekend, I want to ask you a simple question. What are you building with your freedom? Are you building a practice that reflects your values? Are you building a career that gives you purpose? Are you building a team that feels inspired? Are you building clinical excellence and financial stability? Are you building something worthy of the opportunities you have been given? Because freedom is not only the ability to do what we want. No, 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 far from that. Freedom is the opportunity to do something meaningful. So this weekend, enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, enjoy the food, the laughter, and the rest. But also pause for a moment. Remember the fallen, honor their sacrifice, and then recommit yourself to living, serving, leading, and building with purpose. If you know it is time to improve your practice, strengthen your financial model, add diagnostics perhaps, or create immediate change in your professional career, I open up a limited number of an hour strategy sessions each week. Please go to www.meetwithdimi.com and schedule a meeting with me, and let's talk about how to move your practice and your future. So this Memorial Weekend, let us live with gratitude, let us lead with courage, let us serve with excellence, and let us build something worthy of the freedom we have been given. Thank you for listening to Your Practice, Your Money. Please subscribe, share this episode with a colleague, and take a moment this weekend to remember those who gave everything. See you next week. Until then, keep building clinical success and financial freedom. Take care.